Welcome to Excel Employee Lead Tracker. Today I will demonstrate the Xlookup function for HR and Payroll administrators inside of 5 minutes. Xlookup is a lookup function similar to VLOOKUP to find and return a value. Unlike VLOOKUP, you do not need to count rows or to use the false statement. You only need to highlight the reference cells and the data you wish to return. For this example, we are looking for salary information for a group of employees. It is best to use unique identifier such as employee ID or social security numbers to ensure you get the correct data. The first step is to input the formula into the cells that you wish to have the return values. The formula is started with equals Xlookup, open parentheses, highlight the unique identifier, comma, go to the source data. For this purpose, I have the source data on the same file or tab just for demonstration purposes. So here we have the source data employee ID in column B. We highlight all the source data, comma. We then go to what we're looking for. We are looking for salary information for all employees. Highlight all the salaries for all the employees. Make sure they're at the same length as the source data. And then hit enter. To fulfill all the salary data, we go to the bottom right hand corner where the cursor will now turn into a crosshair and double click. And here you will find all the data that we're looking for. So Michelle Pfeiffer, she has a salary of 15 million. If we go to our source data or data source and we look for Michelle Pfeiffer, 15 million. And the same is true for all. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up, leave a comment, and thank you for stopping by.